Good day everyone, my name is Lim Jun Jie and I am from Operating System, Section 4. Today, I am glad to have this opportunity to present you about the solution of L2Q2. Okay, so before this, let us see the question. So the question requires us to create a C program which will meet the process tree as shown in this diagram, and it will show the output as shown in this diagram. Okay, so first thing first, we know that we have the original process where we can check the relevant PID at line 7 PID equal to get PID function. So we know that we want to create clone 1 process from original process. So we can simply achieve this by create a fork at line 8. Then we will need to create a clone 3 process from original process. So this can be done by creating the fork at line 9. But actually, the line 9 will create two processes which are clone 3 and clone 3P1. But since we want clone 2 to be created from clone 1 only, then we will do a conditional checking at line 11. So at line 11, when clone 1 is child and clone 3 is not child, then the clone 2 process will be created by forking it from clone 1 process. Then the relevant output will be printed. Okay, so this is what happened at the left hand side. So for the right hand side, we will do the same thing. Since we want to create a clone 4 process from clone 3, then we will do the conditional checking again. So if clone 1 process is not child and clone 3 is child, then we will create a clone 4 process by forking it from clone 3. But since the output is a bit special, we will only print the output when the clone 4 is in the child process. So we will do a checking again at line 19. So if clone 4 is equal to 0, it means that when clone 4 is running its child process, then we will print this output. So we will also have the other output from line 24 until line 26, and these statements are the output that will be shown when the original process is running its parent process. Okay, so let's see about the screenshot of the program code and also the output Okay, so for your information, both of these outputs are the parent process of the original process. So we can see that at the first output, when both clone 1 and clone 3 are not running their child process, it means that we will run the parent of the original process. So it will show this output. So for the second type of output, we can get this. So at this moment, we know that both clone 1 and clone 3 are 0. But again, we will run the parent process of original. This is because we will only trigger the further output when clone 1 is running its child process only, or it is either clone 3 is running its child process only. Okay, so both of these outputs are the output of parent of the original process. Okay, so for the third and fourth output are actually from the child process of clone 1 process. So we can see that when clone 1 is a child process and clone 3 is not child, then we will create the clone 2 process by forking it, and then we will print this output. So at this moment, there are two possible outputs for the clone 2 PID. That's why we have this output and also this output, where 0 meaning that clone 2 process is child process. So when this 6138 means that clone 2 is running its parent process, but yet is still under the clone 1 child process. So the last output is the child process of clone 4, where the clone 4 is the child of clone 3 process. Okay, so since here is a bit special, when clone 3 is child and clone 1 is not child, then I will create a clone 4 process by forking it. And then I will only show this output when clone 4 is running its child process. So that's all about it. Thank you.